Question number 4. What is the reasonable estimate of the volume of one page of the examination paper? What is the type of examination paper you have? You have an A4 sheet. Okay, typically, an examination paper, an A4 sheet, will have something like 3 lengths over here, and this is nearly half. So which means this would be around, this width would be around 20 centimeter, and this could be around 30 centimeter. Okay, the length and width over here, and the thickness of the paper could be around 0.1 millimeter. Okay, so we are just doing an estimate, which means you can assume, you're free to assume. So now we know this typically what are the values. Let us find out volume, which should be length, breadth into height. Okay, what is length? 30 centimeter multiplied by 20 centimeter multiplied by, this is in millimeter, so I will put this as 0.01 centimeter. When I do this, how much I get? 13, 20, 600. 600 multiplied by 0.01 would be 6 centimeter cube. But you see, all the answers are in terms of millimeter cube. I need to convert them into millimeter cube. So 1 centimeter is 10 millimeter. Okay, so therefore this would be 10 millimeter whole cube. So which should be 6,000. 10 cube is 1,000. 1,000 into 6 is 6,000. 6,000 millimeter cube should be your answer. So answer should be C.